Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Are you a YouTuber looking for royalty-free music for your videos? Or maybe a music enthusiast wanting to create your own tracks? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a free AI music generator. This tool makes it super easy to create music, so whether you need background tunes for your videos or you just want to experiment with making music, this AI generator has got you covered. I'll walk you through the steps from setting up to creating your first track. So grab your headphones, your computers, and let's get started. Stay tuned to the end for some extra tips on getting the best out of this awesome AI tool. Okay, let's dive in. So the first step is to go to loudly.com/music and then create an account if you don't have one already. I'll leave the link to this AI tool in the description box as usual so that you can go check it out. And then so the first step is to go to the link, and then if you don't have an account, you just create an account, or you can basically sign in if you have a Facebook account or you have a Google account. So I'm just gonna sign in with my Google account. Once you sign in, it's gonna bring you to this dashboard here. If I go into the tutorial, I like to walk you through the subscription plans that are available. So this is a free AI tool, okay? So the free version of this tool gives you the ability to create 25 songs every month, and with a maximum song length of 30 seconds. If you're looking for something longer than 30 seconds, then you may want to go with the personal or the pro subscription. But for me, I think the free subscription works for me, and it allows you to download one of your song creations per month, and it gives you the standard quality of MP3. And basically, the free version also allows you to use the music for one social media account. The other ways you could also earn money from generating your own music. All the information to this is on the website, so you can basically also go check it out. But you should also know that the music you generate here are pre-colored music that you can use on your YouTube and other social media platforms, and they release 100+ new templates every month. And if you wanted to create a subscription, then there's a secure payment portal of any country you find yourself in. So now that I've explained the pricing model and the fact that you can use a free version for your YouTube videos or for any of that projects you have, let's get started. I'm just gonna go back and click generator. There are two ways in which you could generate your music. So then either decide to generate your music from text, or you can basically go through these parts. So you basically select the genre you're looking for. So I'm going to select reggaeton because I really like reggae. You want to blend reggaeton with something else. Okay, I want to blend it with this one, trap, double tempo. And then you can basically choose the instruments. So for instance, I can say I want 2 drums, I want vocals, and decide to choose a guitar, but I guess the free version does not allow me to choose a guitar and other instruments. But I think these instruments are fine, at least for the free version. And like I mentioned earlier, the free version only allows you to generate 30 seconds of music. If you want something longer than 30 seconds, then you would have to upgrade to get a longer track. There are other features here that you can choose. So you can choose the energy you want. So I'm just gonna say original. You can decide to go with high. You can decide on the structure. Probably gonna do slow bit. The tempo. I think 100 BPM beats 10 minutes is good for me. The key, this is really good for people who are very technical when it comes to music. You can decide on the key you want. But if you're like me, who has no idea on music notes, then you probably would just go with the defaults. And then you just click generate. It should be done in less than 1 minute. Okay, so as you can see, 3 different tracks have been generated for me. I'm just gonna click on the first one. This is with how it sounds. I decide to say that I really don't want to have vocals in there, and I generate this. I think this is what it sounds like. Okay, so you can basically play around with different types of genres. So if I decide to go with lo-fi, which is usually the type of music I want to have in my YouTube videos, then I click on generate. Let's see what comes up for me. And then this is the next one. In the last one. Okay, so now you can decide to download which one of these ones that you really enjoy, and you can use them in your YouTube videos. Now the next way is to generate the music with text. So you can basically create your own song using a text prompt. Now I'm just gonna go into ChatGPT and say generate lyrics for a song to use in my YouTube tutorial video. I'm gonna use this one verse and then the chorus. Then I'm just gonna copy the chorus as well in here, and I'm gonna click on generate. All right, so let's see. And then the last one. Okay, so now that we have all the music generated, like I mentioned earlier on, having the free version allows you to download one song every month. So if there's any of these songs that you like, you can basically just click the download button and then you have it downloaded. Just click on the download button, open you to the screen. The free version allows you to just download in MP3 format. So you select MP3 and then you download it. Okay, that is it for today's video. And if you are looking for AI tools to help you with content generation, AI tools that would help you generate several contents without you burning out as a content creator, then you may want to check out my last video. I'll leave that on the screen as well so that you can go check it out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.